आमच्या गावात मामाला साप चावला. अर्धी पाऊण तासांनी त्यांनी आत्मा सोडला.
People dying because of snake bites is a story you'll hear in almost every Indian village. But there is another side to it as well. The number of snakes that are killed by the villagers is also fairly large, even though 95% of them are harmless.
आम्हाला सापाची वगैरे भीती असते.
ಇದೊಂದು ರೈತರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
Prasadam, an organization that works closely with farmers in rural areas, wanted to make a difference. One that could protect its farmers from snakes while also ensuring the safety of the snakes.
ಹಾವು ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Most villagers, as a habit, carry a walking stick with them to the fields. We set out to turn it into something extraordinary. The Snake Guard. An ultrasonic solar-powered snake repellent which looks and works exactly like the walking stick carried by the villagers. All the farmers have to do is carry the Snake Guard with them to the field and insert it firmly into the ground. The device then sends out a burst of sonic waves every 40 seconds, which the snakes consider as a danger sign, hence keeping an area of up to 50 meters around the Snake Guard safe for the villagers as well as the snakes.
ಎಂತ ಬಡವನು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಅವನ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Powered by a solar battery, the Snake Guard is an easy-to-use, economical and extremely effective option for the villagers. This simple yet unique creation has been distributed amongst farmers in villages across Karnataka and Maharashtra to guard hundreds of lives and snakes too.